guys, meet this Joshua and Johanna. Say hi, Josh.
Hi!
What are you doing, guys?
Playing! Playing toys.
Okay. What kind of toys?
Lego. Lego.
Do you like your Lego?
Yes. Yes.
What are you going to do?
I fix.
Fix what?
Fix this.
What kind of toys that?
Cover.
Towers?
Double. Papa. Ano po comment? Pa?
Kita nyo guys, yan po yung dalawa ko pong mga Junakis. Naglalaro sila ng Lego. Kaysa mag-cellphone, kaysa mag-tablet, maglaro na lang sila niyan. Diba? Build pa ng relation nila. What will you going to do to say, anak? Okay. Kuya, what are you going to assemble? Ano yung assemble mo? Oh no, what happened?
Robot. Robot.
Robot? How about si Hana? Okay.
Hello, mata people, labuhay. Miss you. Miss you. Hello, mata people, labuhay.
Okay, say goodbye na.